I'm standing with the couch behind me. This is the view of the kitchen. And as you can see, it's totally color coordinated. It's got the nice granite countertops. She's got the shiplap board as decorative underneath the counter, all in white. She's got a refrigerator, top and bottom, Whirlpool, glass top stove, Whirlpool microwave. But it's very, very, very pretty. Okay, then she's got her cute dog. Got a deck out here. I'm just going to kind of pull everything, and you can see Buddy wants to come in, and Buddy's not allowed to come in while I'm doing this. He's a good dog. Here is the second bedroom, the guest bedroom, and it looks like a queen-size bed. If you wanted to, you could easily put a king-size bed in here. It would fit. All the furniture stays. And then this is identical to the other unit. Same color scheme, everything. And that end table may have a little wear and tear on it. Closets. Deep tub. The tub sits up very high. It's a deep tub. And then match it. The tall kitchen, the tall sink now. Okay. I'm going to back out and then do this side of the bedroom. So this is the guest bedroom. And then I'm going to walk through the living area. And I'm going to scan it from this side. And flat screen TV. I'll ask her if it stays. I'm sure it would. Most people leave them and don't knock the hole in the wall. And then I'm coming into the master bedroom. And that looks like it's a queen. And it's a queen in the master with an extra bed. Will the extra bed stay? The extra bed will not stay. That's because she's got guests and family down. And then going to move that to the next house. And as you can see, she uses her closet as a desk. Lisa, you can say, hey. Lisa, tell her the updates that you have done. Let me give you my earpiece so it will record well. And just tell Dorinda, tell her what y'all did extra in the renovation.
This unit was totally gutted after Sally. So it came down to the bare studs and we removed all the floors. So everything, we even took instead of using the old PVC pipe that was existing, we replaced all of it.
Oh, that's so important.
Yep,
that gets done. So that's an expense that has to be done in new units now.
Every inch of this is brand new.
Got it.
The water heater is brand new. Like we did. So what we put our more money in was the granite, of course, and then this one has the walk-in shower that we tiled out, and then we tiled out the other with the deep soaker tub and the recess.
Keep talking, because it's recording you, and I'm just going to show her the. I don't think the other unit had this. No. I think this is.
Mine's the only unit in the complex that has both of them.
Very good. Yeah. Good selling point.
Yeah, but y'all every bit of trim.
Explain the $60,000 because that's so important that they get the understanding of that. But you will take care of that.
Yes. So essentially, when Sally hit, they were looking for a restoration company to come in and do the entire complex.
They being Colony Club
board.
Gotcha. Okay. The board.
So because they're responsible for everything but walls in.
Gotcha.
And we came down here before they had hired someone, and they said we were allowed to do our own work. So.
And why would y'all do your own work?
Because they're just now getting completed, and we've been done since April.
Your husband doesn't do this for a living. Yep. I was thinking you were in the business.
Yes,
explain that to Dorinda.
So we're in the property management business.
Gotcha.
And had the contractors that came up from Kentucky and did all the licensed contractors. And we had ours done and restored before they ever started doing the interior. They were still on roofs. So we wanted it back up so that we could use it. So we went ahead and did that. So the money that we've expended comes to $60,000. And at the very end of, once the insurance is finished paying, all that kind of stuff, we are to be reimbursed.
Who will reimburse you?
The board.
Gotcha.
Yeah, the board.
Okay, so that's a contract between you and the board. And it will not impact the buyers, the new owners.
No.
Okay.
The way
That's just, I want to clarify that for them.
The way that it was explained to us by the board's attorney is that when there is a reimbursement due, that it's assigned to the owner. So if they were to purchase this after before we got reimbursed, they would reimburse it to them. And all we're asking them to do is just to assign the benefits where it comes to us.
So we'll need that in writing.
I've got it in writing, and we just need to sign it whenever.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
But
sounds
that's it.
good. Okay, all right. This is a cute unit. And once again, I'm going to show you that bathroom. This is very, very nice, a walk-in shower. And then this is the bedroom. Looking back, and just remember that single bed will not be here. And she will take, it's a little bit crowded now because she has more stuff from her other home, but she will take that, but it will be left furnished. All right, we'll talk later.